In the past, air conditioning used gravity drainage to remove condensate. This method has many restrictions on installation. If the drainage is blocked, it will inevitably damage the wall surface and may cause health and safety issues by developing bacteria and mold. To solve these problems, we have developed the M1 integrated condensate pump with optimized function and structure in a compact design. The inlet and outlet pipes, made of silicone, can last up to 10 years. Motor with silicone sleeve features effective shock absorption and ultra-low noise. And the sealing treatment of the circuit board ensure the high reliability of the product. The compartmentalization of the inlet and outlet pipes, control, and the circuit boards. The electrode water level sensor can solve the problem with traditional float switches such as water absorption and stagnation. Aesthetic appearance and ultra-quiet design make it perfectly integrate into your home decor. Installation steps. Turn off the air conditioner. A mounting bracket is provided along with the equipment. Fix the bracket at the appropriate position on the wall. Insert the drain pipe of the air conditioner into the water inlet of the condensate pump. Connect the water outlet of the condensate pump to a water pipe of 6 mm inner diameter by 9 mm outer diameter, and fix them with the zip tie in the accessories package. Arrange the water pipe of the water outlet and hang the condensate pump onto the mounting bracket on the wall. Check if all the water pipes and electric wires are connected properly. Power on the air conditioner and the condensate pump. Use a container containing water to gently pour water into the air conditioner's water trough. When the pump discharges water properly, the white indicator on the front enclosure lights up, and it will turn off after the water pumping operation is complete. The built-in buzzer will alarm when the water exceeds warning level. In that case, power off the air conditioner and contact technician. Following the completion of the above test, the installation is complete.